Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video, we will not cover any new topic of the Business Central or any other technology, but I would like to share one problem which I am facing currently from the past 1 or 2 days. Uh, where let's talk about the problem directly. Uh, as you can see from my screen, that I am working on one project here and it has just one table and one page, right? And let's say if I try to build this project up, I'm not getting any sort of warning or any particular error. But now, if I want to publish, let's say I'll publish this extension, then uh, I will get some sort of error. And now you can see that could not publish the package to the server. Click on cancel. Okay, and this is the error I'm getting. That reason no published extensions match the specified parameter values, right? Uh, Initially strange, but let me again try to build. And if I again wants to publish, let's say if I'm trying second time, just to see if I get an error again or not. So now you see the second error that this extension cannot be published as it has the same app ID and the version as previously published extension. So you can see that first time when I was trying to publish, I get one error, and then when I try to re publish after let's say making any changes, uh, then I'm getting this second error. And this second error seems like make you think that it could be possible that extension is already published. That's why I'm getting this error. So let's head to the web client here. And if I go to the extension management page, and if I come down, here you can see that my extension is already available in this particular page. But the difference is that it is not installed. So that means when I was trying to publish my extension for the first time, uh, it managed to put the app here, but installation is not successful. Then that means that somewhere down the line, I get some error during the time of installation. So let's say, as you can see that app is published, but it's not installed. So if I click on install manually in the extension management, click on next, click on install, then you will not get any error. Obviously, because at the time of compilation, as I showed you up, I was not getting any problem, any error. So it is managed, the extension is managed to install correctly without any issue in the web client. But if I want to install it directly from the VS Code, I'm getting an error. Okay, so for example, if I just type, if just to see, okay, not here, but what I want to show you up here is that I'm currently running the 24 version of Business Central. Okay, this is the 24 version, and second thing is that from here also, if you see that in the app.json, I'm trying to publish an extension for version 24. But let's say if I open the admin center, here as you can see that my production environment currently running 23.5, although the 24 version is available, but it is still not upgraded. I have already set the dates that so that it should automatically gets updated to 24. But I'm trying to publish the extension to the Sandbox environment via VS Code where I'm getting an error. I am not saying that if you are running the production environment, which is a 23.5, And then if you're trying to publish on the 24 version, then that is the reason that you are getting an error. Currently, I don't know, but I'm giving you the heads up that what is the current situation of my environment, that why when I'm getting this particular error. Just for testing purposes, I have created one new environment of Sandbox where I wanted to know maybe there could be some issue with this Sandbox, and new Sandbox might not give me any error. So I've created the same and just test this one also if it will be uh, there is no problem. So let me do one thing. I'll delete this. I'll delete this. Okay, and the launch.json, I'll delete this as well. In the launch.json, I'll change the environment name to test. And then if I download the symbol, let's download the symbol from the new environment. And then we will try to publish this extension via VS Code to the new sandbox, just for testing purposes that maybe that issue belongs to my existing sandbox only. However, that is not the case. I will tell you further, but let's see this one first. Okay, let's complete the download symbol. It is taking time. Yeah, it have already started downloading some applications. Uh, okay, no problem. Meanwhile, it is downloading the symbols. Uh, what I am, what we can further check is that when I was checking this issue on Google to find out that if uh, anybody else is also getting an issue, and when I was checking the GitHub to see that if any such issue has already been raised. So I'm surprised to see that I'm not the only one who is having or getting such issues. So if you see in the Mibuso.com as well, people are raising the concerns that they are getting an issue while publishing extension from the VS Code, and this is the same error which I also get for the very first time, right? Then even this issue is already been raised to the Microsoft. If you can see this GitHub, okay, it's official Microsoft AL platform where people can raise the issues. And as you can see that this extension cannot be published as it is the same API end of version as a previously published extension. So which means that this is the second error which I was getting when I was trying to republish my extension. And currently, as you can see, that 20 comments already been made into this issue, and it was 5 days old, but currently it is still open, and there is no perfect solution or right solution available. So I will put this link into this description section so that you guys can keep a tab over it if you are struggling or if you're facing such issues in your extension when you're trying to publish for your new BC24 environment, right? Uh, so I wanted to discuss this one that I'm getting such random errors at the moment. Okay. Meanwhile, the download symbol is still continue. I don't know because I believe because I'm developing this for 24, so I might get an error here in the new environment as well. But I cannot test it at the moment until it complete this download symbol, and then I will compile. But as I showed you up here as well, that this is the strange issue which I'm getting. I'm not saying that everyone will face this issue or everyone is getting the issue, but I am also getting this on the past 1 or 2 days. Sometimes I manage to publish, but but since morning today, I'm not able to publish this extension, any extension if I'm creating. I even try to upgrade to the latest, or I could say this, I was trying to update and I try to use the pre-release version as well of this extension, but still I was getting some issues or some random errors. So I don't know if any one of you is facing this issue. Please let me know in the comment box. Otherwise, as I told you, keep a tab over this issue and see how we can find or get any solution from the Microsoft for this, right? So that's all in the today's video. Although I wanted to show you up that my results for this particular new sandbox, but I think even my symbols download are not being completed. So seems like it is done. If I try to build the project, yeah, but I'm getting okay because symbol download is still not done. Base application is still missing. It is still not downloaded. Let me download the symbol again. This type helper code unit actually belongs to the base application, so that's why it is saying that type helper is missing because as you can see from here as well in the AL packages folder, base application is still not downloaded. Okay, so that's all in today's video. I hope you should not face such errors, but if you're facing uh, and already find out the solution for it, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video.